Good evening. In just a few minutes, the lights will be dimmed and Disneyland will present our dazzling nighttime spectacular, Wondrous Journeys. 100 years, Walt Disney Animation Studios has invited audiences to believe in things never thought possible. And so tonight, we once again invite you to wish upon stars, to step into the unknown, and to join us on this, our wondrous journey.
Some things start out big, and some things start out small. But sometimes the smallest thing can make the biggest changes of all.
Hard to know just where it starts, how it grows from just a spark. It's wondrous. I feel it now with you and me, a gentle stream of energy. I know it's wondrous. From dream to wish to very first try, from jumping to falling to learning to fly. Stroke of a pain to reach motion and meets the eye. It's the magic that we call life. It's the stardust that lights your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. Right when you see it, it's wondrous.
If you dream a thing more than once, it's sure to come true.
Something you want so bad you'd do anything?
I want adventure in the great wide somewhere. I want it more than I can tell.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to
take you far away. You gotta help along with some hard work of your own.
There's been trials and tribulations. You know I've had my share. But I could and I'm almost there. I remember the told me every chance to come. But you gotta make them happy all around. And I'm almost there. People gonna come in
Will today be the day? You're ready to fly. Could take a try.
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
You got the makings of greatness in you, but you gotta take the helm and chart your own course. Stick to it, no matter the squads.
We could be immortals, immortals, but not for long, for long. Okay, here's the plan. We're gonna come in low and fast and take them by surprise. It's make your mama's proud time.
So, don't die.
Sometimes the only payoff for having any faith is when it's tested again and again every day.
I will never be good enough.
I came here to make the world a better place, but I think I broke it. I'm not the right person. You have to choose someone else. Choose someone else. Please.
Sometimes the world seems against you. The journey may leave a scar, but scars can heal and reveal just where you are.
We started this thing together, and that's how we finish it.
I believe in you more than anyone or anything. Nothing could ever be broken that we can't fix together.
Hay mariposas, no si la aguanten más, hay que crecer, parte y volver, hacia adelante seguirás, ya son milagros, viendo quizás hay que volar, hay que encontrar su propio futuro. Hay mariposas, no se aguanten más, hay que crecer, parte y volver, to fly apart, to realize wonders around you. Just let the world come around, don't look behind you, fly till you find, wait toward tomorrow.
Have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life?
It's the magic that we call life. It's the stars that light your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. When you see it, can you believe it? It's the magic that we call life. It's the stars that light your eyes. It's the flight of the butterflies. When you see it, can you believe it? It's wondrous.
And so, we come to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But Pooh, it's just another turn of the page. And I, for one, think what comes next will be